everyone, my name is Vidit and I attended the ACE exams workshop. The most remarkable part, according to me, in this workshop was the memory palace.
My name is Shaurya and I had attended the Acing exams workshop. Over here we have learned a lot of amazing new techniques which helped us in memorizing various algebraic or whether it be paragraphs or any type of theoretical questions.
Hi everyone, my name is Himanya. In Acing exams class, I learnt about chunking technique.
My name is Pratyush and I was in DJ's class. I like all of what they taught in DJ's class, but in all of them, I like mostly the Richard Feynman technique. I like its simplicity and easiness because you can study it very quickly in exams. Very easy to study. Thank you.